Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick healthy recipe for protein pancakes. Stay tuned. First off, our ingredients. Natural peanut butter, old-fashioned oats, protein powder, 2 eggs, a banana, non-fat Greek yogurt, blueberries, and a blender. Links to everything in the ingredient list will be in the description below. I'm using my food scale to weigh everything, and I'm starting off with 20 grams of blueberries. Next, 50 grams of old-fashioned oats. After that, we are using 2 eggs. Followed by a banana. One scoop of protein. I chose Gold Standard Whey protein for mine. Some non-fat Greek yogurt. I chose Chobani, the blueberry flavored one. Because we already have blueberries inside of it, might as well add to the flavor. Some natural peanut butter. Natural peanut butter is a lot different than a regular peanut butter you see in the store on the shelves. Those usually have a lot of added sugar to it. So try to use natural peanut butter, it's a lot healthier for you. And finally, we're gonna blend it all up. It's way too thick to try to stir by a spoon, so get your nice blender or NutriBullet as I have, just blend it up real quick. Once it finishes, you'll see the consistency of a regular pancake batter. Now it's time to start cooking it. I have a non-stick butter spray that I use for my cooking purposes. It has 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 everything. Just has a butter flavor to it, so win-win. Next, we're gonna pour our batter on. I'm starting with small little pancakes. Once they start to bubble or you see little holes in the pancakes, that means you can start flipping it over. First to tell you, I'm not the best at flipping pancakes over, as you'll see shortly. Right over here. Bam. My fault. Get it back. 5-second rule. Yo, it can't be perfect. Now that we have a small batch finished cooking, we're gonna add some toppings. This part is optional, but we're gonna start with 20 grams of blueberries. Next, some strawberries. And it looks a little dry still, so I'm gonna add some sugar-free syrup. I don't usually weigh it out, but for the cooking purposes for this recipe, for 4 macros I did. And as you can see, that's definitely not enough syrup. So we're gonna try that one more time. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it looks a lot better. And now finally we are done. Look how tasty that looks. Finally a taste test, guys. A nice little piece. No fork needed, guys. Amazing. Sweet. What more could you ask for? Nice sugar-free syrup added to it, guys. Got the fruit, so it's extra healthy because of the fruit. If you try this recipe, please let me know. If you have other recipes, leave them below. Open to trying new things. And hey, what would you do? If you don't like it, why are you doing it?